Hi, this is Tanmay Thakur, and this is my final project for CS 125. Now, for the final project, we have made a game which is Tic Tac Toe. Now, in Tic Tac Toe, as you can see on the screen on the emulator, we have nine boxes. Each box can be filled with either a cross or a circle. Now, by default, I have set the first player to be a cross. So, suppose if I click on this box, a cross appears, and then the second player plays and a circle appears, and then again the first player plays and a cross appears. Now, if uh, the first player wins, the toast, which is the Android feature I have used, shows that the player one wins, and then it gives you the option of starting a new game. I have also installed a feature for a draw option. So if there's a draw, which means like nobody wins, uh, like this, then the toast will again show it's a draw, and then it will give us the option of starting a new game. Now this is the UI of the game, and this is how it works. To show you the code behind it, this is the where I made all the buttons. So we can see 10 buttons here, the 9 in the grid, and one the new game button. Now here is the toast, the Android feature which I have used. And here are the cases for the check win function, which is basically to check who wins the game. Now, there were 8 cases, so we could just write all the cases as if and else if statements and get done with it. Now, apart from that, we also have a check draw function which checks if the game is a draw or not. If it is, it returns true. We also have this one function to make sure that the box which we are clicking in is empty, so that like if a person has already clicked a cross, the second player cannot make a circle on that too. So this function is there to check if the box which the player is clicking on is empty first. This is our project, and for further improvements we have planned upon like improving the UI first of all, because the UI is really basic in this case. Although the app is functional, we can make it look more attractive and more professional. Apart from that, one more idea which we have, which is a bit hard, is that instead of making it a two-player game, we can make it a one-player game, and the other player can naturally like automatically be the computer. So like you can play it alone. That can be a good idea, though that will take a lot of work. That's it, I guess. Thank you.